Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the future of their foldable devices. If you're a fan of sleek design and cutting-edge technology, stick around. Let's dive right into the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung is taking a bold step with a design overhaul inspired by the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models. Expect a flat front and back with only the camera modules protruding, giving it a more streamlined and rounded look. This new design is all about enhancing the overall look and feel of the device, making it not only more aesthetically pleasing but also more comfortable to hold. Now, despite the design changes, Samsung is committed to keeping the S Pen in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This versatile tool has been a game changer for productivity and creativity, making the Ultra series a favorite among users. Whether you're jotting down notes, drawing, or navigating your device, the S Pen remains an integral feature that ensures the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues to appeal to its loyal fan base. Moving on to Samsung's foldable devices, the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are set to be unveiled on July 10. Despite the design evolution of the S25 Ultra, Samsung is sticking with the boxy aesthetic for their foldables. These foldable phones will maintain their traditional rectangular design, offering consistency and a familiar look for users who love Samsung's foldable series. This ensures that while the S25 Ultra embraces a new look, the foldable lineup remains dependable and recognizable. So, there you have it. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is getting a sleek new design, but rest assured, the S Pen is here to stay. Plus, the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will continue to sport their classic designs. What do you think of these updates? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.